welcome everybody. We're back again. Back to regular scheduled programming. Took yesterday off. It was a long weekend. Enjoyed a long weekend. Valentine's Day, Family Day, all that other good stuff happened over the weekend. We're back today. We're back to regular scheduled programming. Streams every day. Simulation Saturday, analysis on Sunday. We'll get that going too. Yeah, gold actually had a huge down move yesterday, and I think it's continuing today. Let's take a look at it. So monthly, we can see that this downtrend's happening right now. Break it down to weekly. Weekly broke that low from last week, right? I think when it broke that weekly low at 1807, that's when it started to drop. Yeah, let's keep going here. 1807, yeah, right? Actually, it was like 1815 times that at the 5 o'clock candle. Then the 6 o'clock candle happened. Right when it broke the low there, it kept continuing. And then 8 o'clock, yeah, this huge ass reversal. I was like watching it. Right now, we're on this other down move that's happening right now. I think it continues, to be honest. I want to see if I can get a wick up and then an entry point there. The stop's obviously going to be above the highs over here. And then I think we're going to break the lows again. What is this support that we drawn out? Oh, that's the weekly support. We see that we've reached the weekly support. So go wait and see how it reacts around that level. Damn, it's tough getting back into it, I'll tell you that much. I'll get back into it for sure. I'm gonna keep it on the lower time frame right now. Probably like the 5 minute. I want to see if we get like a little move up, a little pop up, and then I'm gonna enter on that. So we'll see how that goes. Oh damn, that dropped. Well, I guess we'll have to wait. That was a short though. I was planning that when I woke up, got my drinks ready, etc. I was like, I'm gonna wait for it to pop up, and then I think I'm gonna short it. It's exactly what it did when I woke up. A little pop up, and then boom, nice little short all the way down. Well, I guess it did for like 7 minutes, or 5 minutes. 1 minute. Yeah, I guess it did for actually like 30 seconds. It's like nothing there. Dollar must be going up, eh? Damn, yeah, the dollar's shooting up pretty fat. Yeah, that would have been the nice short, eh? Fuck. He's what it is. He's gotta hope for a pop up before that push down now. It's interesting what's happening in the commodities market and everything. Holy shit, Bitcoin's above 30,000. Commodities market, like Bitcoin's rising and it continues to rise. I feel like there's a lot more demand for Bitcoin as a safe haven than there is for like gold and silver. Bitcoin should be in every portfolio though, let's be honest. Let's look at silver though. Yeah, I feel like silver's about to go down. That's so funny here. It was on that downtrend, and then right when it broke, it had that nice move up, but I think it broke down again. I think it'll head down. I'm hoping it hits like 25 on silver. I feel like that's a good investment at that point. And I'm gonna probably get in around that area. Fuck, this keeps going. There's no end for this in sight. Might have to wait for that 30-minute wake now. It's 6:30. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait on the 30-minute. Damn, I knew there was that move at 6 o'clock was happening. Damn, this thing is about to crash. I want to see a little wick up first on the next 30-minute. I hope it happens. I'm gonna have to wait. I don't know. Impulse. It's so low here. Weekly, we broke past last week's lows, and now when we break down the daily, we can see the same thing happening yesterday when we broke down below. When we go to the hour, we see that the 6 o'clock is actually pushing down pretty hard. My original trade was going to be when it broke the previous hour low, but I never got into it then. And now the 30-minute is starting to break past. I have a sell stop at 1783. And with that sell stop, I have a 30 pip take profit at 1780. The stop loss will be at around 1786, so like a 30 for 30 on impulse and momentum sells. I'll just mark it down real quick here too. So we have a 1783 sell stop. Profit level is 1780 for 30 pips, and stop is going to be 1786, about 30 pips as well. Almost got hit on my black bull. It's like hovering around at 1783 right now. It's a little bit above it, but it's close. It's close. I do feel like a good target is going to be that 1776 level from the daily. I feel like that's a good target, so we'll see about that. But if this 30-minute closes like this, oh no, not yet, not yet. What's that? Okay. I just got hit here. Right now, I feel like the momentum's gonna carry it down, and we should see this trade hit take profit pretty quick. There we go. Take profit was smashed on this momentum sell. Since we missed the earlier sell, now I have a very small runner. I think it gets to 1776 today. That was the next support level on the daily. Excuse me. Yeah, that was an interesting sell, but we could see that momentum carried it down. But I kind of wish I had the sells from above, but I mean, fuck, what can you do at that point, right? You missed it, you missed it. You plan, you execute. Just do it like that. So that's exactly what we did. We planned, we executed. And we had a pretty good trade. Nice little momentum sell. Stops at break even now. Just gotta hold it. See where it goes. I think that's it for the trades today, though. I might end the stream early, like 7. We'll see. What's the date? 17th? Yeah, I gotta get the 17th video ready. Almost a week, eh? From stream to stream. That was my own fault. I was still watching though. I'm still on it like every day. Like yesterday I didn't stream, but I was still watching it. I was on it. I was still viewing the charts. Preparing for the moves. Yeah, near the end of last week, I think my trading just went to shit. I just had to take a break. It's like falling into bad habits, over trading. I started with that pound USD trade. I remember that about a week ago. And just kind of like escalated from there. Yeah. So. But yesterday I should have been on that short move we had planned out from the analysis stream. So I guess it's my own fault. We had all that momentum carrying. Weekly we broke past Weekly we broke past. Weekly we last week's. Weekly we broke past last week's lows, and now when we break down the daily, we can see the same thing happening yesterday when we broke down the low. When we go to the hour, we see that the 6 o'clock is actually pushing down pretty hard. My original trade was going to be when it broke the previous hour low, but I never got into it then. And now the 30-minute is starting to break past. I have a sell stop at 1783, and with that sell stop, I have a 30 pip take profit at 1780. The stop loss will be at around 1786, so like a 30 for 30 on impulse and momentum sells. I'll just mark it down real quick. Almost got hit on my black. A little bit of this. Oh no, not yet, not yet. What's that? Okay. I just got hit here. Right now, I feel like the momentum's gonna carry it down, and we should see this trade hit take profit pretty quick. Since I think it gets to 7. Now I have a very small runner. Profit was smashed on this momentum sell. There we go. Take profit was smashed on this momentum sell. Since we missed the earlier sell, now I have a very small runner. I think it gets to 1776 today. That was the next support level on the daily. Weekly we broke past last week's lows, and now when we break down the daily, we can see the same thing happening yesterday when we broke down the low. When we go to the
Just
hour,
editing
we
the
see
video
that
right now.
6 o'clock is actually pushing down pretty hard. My original trade was going to be when it broke the previous hour low, but I never got into it then. And now the 30-minute is starting to break past. I have a sell stop at 1783, and with that sell stop, I have a 30 pip take profit at 1780. The stop loss will be at around 1786, so like a 30 for 30 on impulse and momentum sells. I just got hit here. Right now, I feel like the momentum's gonna carry it down, and we should see this trade hit. Next support level on the 1770. Profit was smashed on this momentum sell. Since we missed the earlier sell. Since we missed the earlier sell. Weekly. There we go. Take profit was smashed on this momentum sell. Weekly. There we go. All done the video. Yeah, sorry for that double take there. Also, at 1776, I got out. I'm getting out half right now. I just saw the chart. Holy shit, that's tanking. So I got out half at 1776 for my runner. Weekly, we broke past last week's lows, and now when we break down the daily, we can see the same thing happening yesterday when we broke down below. When we go to the hour, we see that the 6 o'clock is actually pushing down pretty hard. My original trade was going to be when it broke the previous hour low, but I never got into it then. And now the 30-minute is starting to break past. I have a sell stop at 1783. And with that sell stop, I have a 30 pip take profit at 1780. The stop loss will be at around 1786, so like a 30 for 30 on impulse and momentum sells. I just got hit here. Right now, I feel like the momentum's going to carry it down, and we should see this trade hit take profit pretty quick. There we go. Take profit was smashed on this momentum sell. Yeah, I just reviewed the video and how I traded. I think that was pretty good, but the real move was like 6 o'clock. I think I got to be on a little bit earlier and then catch that move. And because I did have that whole idea that we're gonna get like a little pop up and then move down. I thought it would be a bigger pop up. Perfect. Gonna send this video. Damn, yeah, 1776, that huge pop up. That was the level. Okay, I got half left. I'll probably leave that to go. Not bad though. I like how it moved. It's straight continuous. We can see right when it broke that. That's when I started to tank. That was a pretty big level it broke. That's why the momentum was entered. 1765 is the next target. Might get there around 7 o'clock. We'll see though. We'll see. Alright, perfect. Got everything done, uploaded. Pretty easy today, to be honest. Yeah, I might end it in about 20 minutes, to be honest. I'm not really going to plan for another move. I think that was a move. That was a trade for the day. Gotta keep it to one trade. And honestly, since no one's coming on the streams, it's kind of like fucking just sitting there talking to myself for most hour. I think once I get better and once the stream starts to pick up, I'll stay on for the full 2-3 hours. But as of now, I think I'll just end it whenever I want to end it. Let's be honest. But in reality, I just need one trade a day, and I feel like it's just about perspective at that point. Damn, that thing is fucking going down, eh? Holy. Alright, got the video done. Now we just chill, honestly. Probably chill like another 15 minutes, see where it ends up. But that was pretty good sells. Throwbacks. Oh shit, welcome back, man. Happy New Year to you too. Been a minute. Finally got more understanding about Forex now. Happy New Year. Yeah. Found some mentors to help you now. Nice, nice. Which mentors did you get help from? It's been an interesting start, to be honest. I think I'm sticking to gold mostly now, but I do trade other pairs time to time. But yeah, I think gold is my thing. But what mentors are helping you out now? It's always good to get a mentor. It's probably easier than just learning on your own. Actually put in the work and do it. I kind of like some folks I trade with in the Discord. Nice, nice. That's sick. That's sick. But you got a better understanding of Forex now? Like, what trades have you taken over the past little while? Or what do you have any trades at the moment? Just happened to get invited to this group through a friend. They teach me how to trade patterns too. That's sick. That's sick. Is it like a pretty public group or is it a private one? They teach you to trade patterns. Nice, nice. So you got better understanding. That's a big takeaway. That's pretty good. Honestly, the more you understand Forex and the more you can cater to your own style of trading, I think that's the best way to do it. GJ, gold, NASDAQ 100. Nice. I like 2 out of those 3 for sure. I don't like GJ, but a lot of people do trade GJ. That's a pretty interesting. A lot of people do like that. As you know, I love gold. I've been killing it on gold recently. If I switch to other pairs, I don't really do a private group. But and Nasdaq 100, I do like trading Nasdaq 100 too. I feel like Nasdaq is a pretty good pair to trade. M's times W's patterns. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't even know what those are. M's times W pattern. Is it like what time frames? Is it like on higher time frames or like lower time frames? Hey, congrats. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks, man. I mean, it's been up and down, but like recently it's been pretty good for the most part. Just gotta stick to it, right? What's an M and W pattern? Is it like, let's see if I can find an example. That looks like a W to me. Put it broke down. That's an M. I should Google this actually. M pattern. Trading. M pattern equals sell, W equals buy on all time frames. look for, is it this? Look for M and W chart patterns on 4-hour chart before entering. Look at the following size of pattern. Put your stop loss a full few pips above or below the pattern. Put your take profit so you have a, interesting. I'm gonna see if I can find it on the 4-hour chart. I'll go to like Euro maybe? USD CAD. I think I kind of get it. It's not what I would usually trade, but I think I do see it somewhat. But it's based off the 4-hour chart, hey? That's interesting. No one had a run like Grimes. No one. I feel like with that way, you could get like pretty nice entries. Like if it was an M pattern and if it was at the top end of a, let's say, up move or something, like after this up move, see an M pattern form, then yeah, you could sell it. But it's tough to see like the perfect M or the perfect W pattern. But I think I know what it's talking about. Interesting, not bad at all. Works on all. They make like 1,000 plus profit. Holy shit, works on all, trust me. Yeah, I mean, fuck, if they're making profits on it, that does make sense. It would work on all. I think it's just about finding the right price point and the right price action and then executing it there. But that would be the biggest obstacle. But I'll let you know when it's perfect. Yeah. Sounds good. Let me put a pound Japan. Usually I feel like GJ has those types of moves. GJ. What about cryptos? How's your cryptos going? I remember you were talking about Bitcoin before the new year. Damn, it's been that long, eh? You've been... It's been like a few months. Because I remember you talking about Bitcoin in like December, November, and then it started to pop up. Let's go to the 4-hour on GJ. W equals buy on all time frames. I see a W here. Here's a W. Here's another W. Here's a buy on all time frames. I see a W and a W there and there. That makes sense. Actually, that does work. I feel like when you see that W, oh yeah, I sold all. Gotta start back up. Yeah, it's like I'm in the matrix. Lost all in trucks. So you have to quit. Damn, man, that's rough. Fucking Tron Casino, that's tough. It's good to take a break though. I think this is my first stream in a week, to be honest. But that time off and the break is necessary. And I feel like that helped for Tron Casino too. And I think you'll get it back in cryptos. Crypto is pretty volatile and it does have good moves in it. Also, I think I see that W pattern you're talking about. Here's a W right here. And then you just buy on all time frames. And boom, you have a nice move up. How much is that? Like a 200 pip move. God damn, that's a big move. Interesting. Mental above everything, 100%, man. Especially nowadays, considering what's happening in the world. I think mental aspect is the biggest aspect for trading and for life too now. Just considering everything involved. I think the mental is the biggest thing, but it is what it is. time off is always necessary. I feel like, unless you're like Elon Musk or someone like fucking Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs, I guess Tim Cook now, but they all have that work ethic where they don't need time off. But time off and the mental, I think that's the biggest thing. Yeah, and I do see I see that W pattern playing out. It makes sense on that. I just want to find it with gold, see if that W pattern is existing on gold somewhere, or like the M pattern. Maybe I could incorporate that into trading. They said base it off the 4 hour. Maybe it's this other 4 hour, the true 4 hour. Trying to look for an M. I guess this is like a broken M. Yeah, then that crash right there. That's a weird M. They must have their own like system set up with their own indicators, etc. It's just in that. And alerts too. I'm guessing they got alerts with that pattern. Let me get out of my runner right now. Get out here. Exit here. Yeah, I can't really find any examples on gold, but I do see how it'll work for sure. We gonna help each other? Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. It's always good to have different perspectives and knowledge when it comes to trading. Kind of have your own system, but it's good to get like the other side, which you may not see, or like, yeah, I mean, you kind of get different perspectives on a chart or on a trading idea. Like maybe you might see a buy or I might see a sell, but definitely I feel like the more collaboration, the more help is obviously beneficial. So this 7 o'clock closed. Yo, just a heads up, throwbacks. I'm gonna be on for the rest of the week, but I gotta leave at like 7:50 today. I gotta. Where's your homie at? He's not on anymore. He got a job, so he's doing that for the most part. I think he'll be on in a month or so. His job does allow for it when he starts working on his own schedule, but I think for now he's busy with that. Which I mean, he should focus on that. It's a sales job, so the bigger the sales numbers, the better it's gonna be, right? So gotta do it like that. But yeah, I got like 15 minutes left. I gotta head out in a bit here. He still trades, but he invests and like does his stock portfolio through the help of Hedge Eye. Those guys are actually pretty dope at Hedge Eye. A lot of knowledge, a lot of information for those guys. So but yeah, he'll be back joining in. No worries. I think he likes the Nasdaq. Trade Nasdaq, which makes sense. Nasdaq does have some nice moves at 7:30. I might do I might actually. I've been contemplating it about trading Nasdaq at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and I think I might. So I think I might do gold for like the start. You'll be on tomorrow with me for sure. Sick. Thanks, man. Appreciate the support and for you tuning in. But yeah, Nasdaq, I do look at it and I do feel like there are moves at 7 and 8 o'clock. We could just pinpoint them here. So that's when the moves start. If I could pinpoint it the right way. Here too, we have that nice sell. Honestly, man, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to backtest on Nasdaq and backtest on gold. I think I might do those two. Seems like the way to go. Do gold in the morning, and then do Nasdaq after. I do like the way it moves. I ain't gonna lie. Like that's why I said when you said Nasdaq, got excited because if you're doing GJ gold and Nasdaq, at least we're both doing 2 out of 3, right? We could see different patterns that form. Shit, I wonder if there's an M pattern here, a W pattern here. Nah, this is just straight buys all the way. I'm gonna have to incorporate that into my simulations for sure. This is probably gonna head down, retest like 1776. This thing is probably gonna fill the wick. What did this wick end up? 1774. Yeah, I think it's gonna fill the wick. I don't know if it's gonna continue. If it does, fuck, we might see like 1765 or something. Yeah, gold's gonna tank. Throwbacks, you got any trades right now? Yeah, that gold move was nice. I think like another 10, 15 minutes. See how the market opens, and then I gotta head out in a bit here. This is a clean type of movement we want. No choppiness, no nothing. It's just clean and easy on gold. What was that choppy day? Was it here? I don't remember. I remember I was trading it. It was pretty choppy. Oh yeah, I think it was Feb 11th. See, I'm gonna scroll back a little bit. Just want to see something. 4:30, 5, 6. Yeah, that was a choppy day. Low rate of change. I think that was the day that killed me for the most part. Ah, shit. Let me reset this chart. There we go. I think I gotta find a new music stream too. This chill hop's fucking just tiring. I ain't even gonna lie. So, you know what? I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna find a new live stream for music. Fuck this music. Get some more like, I don't know, like the Bees Allowance style stuff. It has to be non-copyright, so I think I'll find that. Other than that, I hope everybody has a good day today. Don't overtrade, don't over risk. Do one trade. Trade to your trading plan, trading style, and don't deviate away from it.